Alright, now in this quick video, what I'd like to do is I'd like to share with you some places where you're going to be able to find quality providers for both solo ads and ad swaps. And the truth is that there's lots of different places that you can go get your solo ads and arrange ad swaps. But the truth is, the two safest places that you're going to be able to go are going to be Safe Swaps, okay, which you can see on the screen right here. Is either going to be Safe Swaps or even the joint venture section at thewarriorforum.com. If you just go to thewarriorforum.com and if you scroll down, you'll see a section here called Joint Ventures. There's going to be a lot of people in this joint venture section who are going to be looking to do ad swaps and sell solo ads. Okay. And we'll come back to this in just a minute. But first, I want to talk to you about Ad Swaps. Ad Swaps is a great website that they haven't been around all that long, but they're a great place for bringing together sellers of solo ads and also people that want to do ad swaps with other marketers. And you can go ahead, just create an account here. You can get a free account. You can't upgrade to a paid account, but I recommend you just go ahead, start with a free account here. Go ahead, create yourself an account. And then when you get inside of here, okay, you're going to see that you're going to be able to search for people that are selling solo ads, that want to do ad swaps, all kinds of things. So the very first thing, we're going to look for people selling solo ads. So let's say that we want to go ahead and find someone who's selling, around 100 solo clicks. We can just click on that link right there. And what this is going to do is this gives us a breakdown of all these people that are selling solo ads that will go ahead and mail your offer to their list. They'll give you, 100 clicks for $32 or 100 clicks for $48. The prices range from, about $30 per 100 clicks all the way up to like $80 per 100 clicks, depending on the quality of traffic. But you can say, you can go with people who want to sell you even more solo ads up to, you know, over 300 clicks and more. There are people that can send you, 1,000 clicks. Like Liz Hall, I personally know Liz. I bought solo ads from her in the past. She can send up to like 1,000 clicks. Other people here, lots of quality marketers that'll mail your offer to their list, and it's super easy. You just click on the buy solo ad link. You'll need to set up a mailing of your or an email of your own, which is really easy to do. You just go ahead and set up the message that you would like send. Like you'll set up um, the address of your free offer, things like that. But you just set up an email, a swipe file, basically, that the other marketer can use. But Safe Swaps is a great place. They have all kinds of safeguards in place. It's a very safe place to go ahead and arrange for solo ads and ad swaps. And you can see there's swaps and solos. You can search by what you want. Like if you can send 100 clicks or 50 clicks in an ad swap, you can just go ahead and hook up with other marketers. Generally, these marketers, they are going to be in the internet marketing and make money online types of niches, but that's really what solo ads and ad swaps are best for. So long as you're in those niches, and even outside of those niches, you'll be able to find people that are outside of those niches. But if you are in those niches, either going to ad swap or to Safe Swaps or the Warrior joint venture section is really good. And also, Reed Florine has a great solo ad directory. It's right at Solo Ad Directory, but he has a nice little directory that tells you of a whole bunch of different solo ad sellers. Okay, you don't have any safeguards here because it's not inside of a community, but there are a lot of good solo ad sellers here, and even inside of the Warrior Forum, some great solo ad sellers. You can find solo ad sellers and ad swap partners outside of these directories. It is just a little bit more difficult. What you want to do is, go into some different websites in your niche, try and contact the owners of those websites and see if they'd like to do an ad swap with you or arrange a solo ad. A lot of times you'll be surprised people will be willing to mail your offer to their list, because a lot of times website owners, they don't have, if they're a product owner, a lot of times they won't have relevant offers to mail to their list all the time. So if you have a good free offer, hit them up. Maybe they'll mail for you. Another thing you can do is just do a search on Google for solo ads. You'll find lots of different websites, but I recommend, especially when starting out, stick with Safe Swaps and the joint venture section at the Warrior Forum.